I'm going to practice my English. Hello.
You're doing great. Your English is clear and natural. Keep going. What do you want to talk about?
Let's talk about something. I want to talk about. I want to ask you some questions.
Of course. Ask me anything. What's on your mind?
Do you think education system influence how people think, how people behave, and how people decide
Yes,
something?
the education system definitely influences many aspects of life. Are you thinking about how it shapes individuals, society, or something specific? Yes, the education system has a huge influence on individuals and society. It shapes how people think, learn, and interact with the world. Are you wondering about a specific aspect, like its impact on success, creativity, or social behavior?
Yeah, of course. Can you explain to me?
Sure, the education system influences people in many ways. It teaches knowledge and skills, but it also shapes values, critical thinking, and social behavior. A good system can encourage creativity and problem solving, while a rigid one might limit independent thinking. It also affects opportunities. Better education. Sorry, I'm having issues right now. Could not understand what you said.
I have heard people say that if we live in the small, I ever heard people say if we live in a small city or small village, it influences our mindset. And if we live in the big city, we will have open-minded. Is it true? What do you think?
That's an interesting question. Living in a big city can expose people to different cultures, ideas, and ways of thinking, which might make them more open-minded. But it's not always true. Someone from a small village can also be open-minded if they're curious, willing to learn, and exposed to new perspectives through books, travel, or conversations. At the same time, a person in a big city can still have a narrow mindset if they only stick to their own views. So it's not just about location. It's more about attitude and experiences. What do you think?
I cannot hear your voice clearly because now it's rain and it's heavy rain. I can't hear your voice clearly.